It's been a little while since I last reviewed a SpeedyBee flight stack. I think they paused shipping for a bit while all the tariff silliness settled down, and honestly, I don't blame them. But now I've got my hands on the new F405 40 amp all-in-one flight controller, and true to form, SpeedyBee have done it again. Feature packed, beautifully made, and practically a work of art, all for $56. And at first glance, it looks like it's aimed at whoops or maybe sub 3-inch builds. But don't be fooled. This little board has enough muscle to power a full 5-inch drone. Remarkable. Hello, and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Wow. This really looks like unbeatable value. For $56, you get an all-in-one board with four 40 amp ESCs. That's 160 amps in total, or 180 amps peak. And this is running Bluejay firmware with bi-directional D-shot, and it's all powered by an STM32 F405 MCU, as its name implies. You also get wireless configuration using the SpeedyBee app. The gyro is an ICM 42688P with improved hardware filtering paired with a high precision SPA06003 barometer. And there's an onboard TVS diode for spike protection, dedicated pads for the SpeedyBee LED strips, and very helpfully, they've got solder pads that are 30% larger than they had before. And they even include this practice soldering board if you're not too confident working on such a small PCB. It's a really thoughtful touch. Design-wise, it follows SpeedyBee's signature style. You've got these purple anodized heat sinks on the top and the bottom, and their trademark yellow mounting gummies. And under the microscope, the quality looks spot on. Honestly, I've actually got no idea how they're doing all this at this price, but I'm not complaining. There's onboard Bluetooth for mobile configuration, and if you want to connect to a computer, there's a USB-C port right on the board. And even better, they include this USB-C extension board and a cable, so you can hide this deep inside your frame and still access it by that mounted wherever you need it. Also in the box, there's a small, let's see if I can get it out and show you. Here we go. There's a small external BEC module which defaults to 5 volts, but you can switch it to 9 volts if you need to by bridging a couple of the solder pads. And you also get this power expansion board. It's basically a 1:4 splitter, which is handy if you're wiring up multiple accessories. On the board itself, you've got all the features you'd expect really. A direct 6-pin DJI connector, 8 meg of onboard black box memory, and 3 5-volt BECs. There's a 4.5 volt BEC as well for powering your GPS, and of course you get 9 volts if you're using this external BEC. There's 4 UARTs, I2C, LED and buzzer pads, everything you need really. And this runs on anything from 3S to 6X lipos, and you get all, get these out here, all these spare hardware, mounting gummies, cables, connectors, everything you need, even a 35 volt 470 microfarad low ESR capacitor to help your video feed stay nice and clean. As always, the instruction sheet is very comprehensive and clear with all the wiring diagrams and everything you need, including some Betaflight configuration. And their website has all the info you need on there as well. And this really is a fantastic AIO board, and I can't wait to get it built up into something. And as usual, links to everything I've talked about are in the video description below. So what's the plan? Well, I've also managed to get my hands on 2 new frames to test this with. I've got this SpeedyBee F405 and this new Master 3x modular frame. Both support the new SpeedyBee DJI air unit mount that's swappable between the 2 drones. You just unclip it from one and clip it into the other. Means you don't need 2 air units. And I've got a fresh set of these SpeedyBee 1507. I've got one there, look. 1507 3600 kV motors ready to go. I'll be reviewing both of these frames very soon, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss it. And in the meantime, let me know in the comments which one of these you'd like to see me build and fly from start to finish. And what do you make of this seriously impressive new SpeedyBee F405 all-in-one flight controller? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.